Hello, dear students of O-level mathematics. I'm your mathematics teacher and I will deliver lectures on mathematics syllabus. Today is our first lesson and this lesson is an introductory lesson. In this lesson, I will tell you about the syllabus of Cambridge O-level mathematics, which is due from 2025 onward. Earlier, the syllabus of 2024 is amended, and some topics from the syllabus of 2024 are excluded and some new topics are included. Similarly, the pattern of the paper is also changed in 2025. Title of the paper is Cambridge O-Level Mathematics Syllabus D. Paper code is 4024. Number of papers in which you have to appear is 2, and the variant are 1112 and 2122. Paper 1 has two variants. Paper 1 its variant 1, paper 1 its variant 2, and paper 2 its variant 1 and paper 2 its variant 2. These papers are for different time zones in the world. Syllabus content overview. All candidates of O-level examination study the following topics. These are the main topics. Every main topic has many subtopics. Number 1 is number. Number 2 is algebra and graphs. Number 3 is coordinate geometry. Number 4 is geometry. Number 5 is mensuration. Number 6 is trigonometry. Number 7 is transformation and vectors. Number 8 is probability, and number 9 is statistics. These are the main topics. As I have told you, every main topic has many subtopics which we have to study. In the next slide, you will have some subtopics of this main topic number 1, numbers. These are the subtopics. Number 1 is types of number. Sets. 1.3 powers and roots. 1.4 fractions, decimals and percentages. 1.5 ordering. 1.6 the 4 operations. 1.7 indices 1. 1.8 standard form. 1.9 estimation. 1.10 limits of accuracy. 1.11 ratio and proportion. 1.12 rates. 1.13 percentages. 1.14 use of calculator. 1.15 time. 1.16 money. 1.17 exponential growth and decay. 1.18 search. These two topics are newly included in the syllabus. Earlier these two topics were not included in the syllabus till 2024. Detail of assessment. All candidates take two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Candidates will eligible for grades A star to E. If a student could not obtain required standard, he is awarded grade U. U mean ungraded, and the candidate has to reappear in that paper. Each paper may contain questions on any part of the syllabus, and questions may assess more than one topic. Both papers consist of structured and unstructured questions. Structured questions contain parts A, B, C and subparts 1, 2, 3, etc., and unstructured questions do not. For all papers, candidates write their answers on the question paper. They must show all the necessary working in the spaces provided and write the answers in the answer space. For both papers, candidates should have the following geometrical instruments: a pair of compasses, a protractor and a ruler. Candidates should have a scientific calculator for paper 2. One with the trigonometric function is strongly recommended. Algebraic or graphical calculator is not allowed. If you have an algebraic or graphical question, algebraic calculator mean if you put the values of a variable, you can solve the equation, or you can draw the graph of the functions given. So this calculator is not allowed in O level. Simple trigonometric function, simple scientific calculator which has trigonometric functions in it. Detail of assessment. As I have told you that you have to appear in two papers. One is called paper 1, which is non-calculated. Paper 1 has approximately 25 to 27 short answer questions. You should answer all questions. You should show all working in the spaces provided on the question paper. Essential working must be shown for the full marks to be awarded. No calculators are allowed for this paper. Total marks for this paper are 100. Time allotted for this paper is 2 hours. Earlier, since 2024, the total marks of paper 1 were 80. Now, from 2025, the marks of paper 1 are also increased from 80 to 100. Paper 2, you should answer all questions. You should show all working in the spaces provided on the question paper. Essential working must be shown for the full marks to be awarded. Silent, electronic, scientific calculator with trigonometric functions is allowed. Algebraic or graphical calculators are not allowed. Silent means in some questions in some calculators when you press any key of the calculator, music is. Total marks for this paper are 100. Time allotted for this paper is 200. Earlier, the total time allotted for this paper was 2 hours and 30 minutes. And now, from 2025, the time allotted for paper 2 is also 2 hours. Earlier, since 2024, there were 11 questions which you have to answer. But now, from 2025, this paper may also have 25 to 27 questions which you have to answer. Sample questions. This is the paper, one page of the paper expressed as a single fraction. Statement of the question is given, and then there is some space. You have to answer this question in this space, and you will have to write this final answer in the space provided, and marks of this paper is written within the bracket here. Similarly, it's part B. You have to answer this question, solve this question, and then write the final answer in this answer space. So this is the introductory lesson. From in the next lesson we will start our first topic, numbers, and its subtopic, types of numbers. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Always stay blessed. Thank you.